welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the ASUS Bluetooth 5.0 USB adapter. I recently picked it up because I want to be able to use my Bluetooth earbuds with my PC, and my computer, my desktop, is not Bluetooth compatible. So I picked this up and I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, so now I'm gonna open it and let's review it. So let's see. So here's the package. Bluetooth 5.0 USB BT500. The ones that I've seen out there on YouTube, most of them are 4.0, and I wanted something more recently, or more recent rather. And as you can see, this is compatible with Windows 10. As you can see here at the bottom, it has 1 year manufacturer warranty. And if we look at the back, in the back you will see the different devices that you can connect it to. You can connect it to your laptop, your tablet, smartphone, any Bluetooth device that you may have. You can use this USB adapter with your Bluetooth devices. Okay, so it's a nice pretty package, and it's made by ASUS. Well, at least that's how I pronounce it. So okay, let's see what's in the box. Nothing else in here. Put that aside. Let's stop here and register. That's what they want us to do, to register. It comes with documentation that you can read later at your leisure. It has a VIP member warranty notice, and in this little section is where the actual unit is. So let's just open it. And this is supposed to be a very simple process to set up. It's like a plug and play. So this tiny thing is what we are going to connect to our computer. So let's go there. So here's my Optiplex 9020. It is not Bluetooth compatible. So it looks like the computer already detected it. So now I should be able to pair my Anchor, that's the brand, Anchor earbuds, and see how it goes. Let's take a listen. I'm going to turn it on here. So I guess it's searching. But before that, I wanted to go to my computer now. So let's see if it's connected. Oh, perfect. Look at that. I have the Bluetooth symbol. So now let's see if I can add this device. So it automatically took me to Bluetooth and other devices. I'm gonna click add Bluetooth. Now I'm gonna click on Bluetooth, and as you can see, the button is still flashing on my earbuds. So let's see what's on the computer. So it looks like it detected it, so I'm gonna click on it. Now it's connecting, and good. My device is ready to go. So let me see if I can find music with audio and see if we get some sound, if we can hear anything. Let's see if we can hear it. Perfect. I can hear the music coming through the earbuds. So it worked. Perfect. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.